Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn what is data types. What is data types? Every value belongs to a specific data type in Python. Data types identifies the type of data values a variable can hold and the operation that can be performed on the data. Data types is a category of values. Okay, the built-in data types are numbers, string, list, tuple, set, boolean, and none types. And in numbers, there are three types: integer type, floating type, and complex type. Okay guys, let's get definition with example of each data types. Integer. An integer type represents whole numbers, both positive and negative. For example, let's create a variable name as a and assign a value 10. Okay, then print the value. Print the variable name a. You will get value 10. Okay, then how we know the a variable having which data type value? To get this, inside print function, type type and open and close a parenthesis. Inside it, put your variable name. My variable name is a. Then click the run button. You will get class int, which means a variable holding int data type value in a variable. Okay, let's move on into floating point type. A floating point float type represents numbers with fractional part. A floating point numbers have their decimal points and fractional part. For example, in our daily life, pi equal to 3.14, which is undecimal point, and if I print this, print pi, you will get 3.14. Okay, then we are going to type of pi. Let's print it and we will get float. So it means the pi variable holding float data type value pi in pi variable. Okay, let's move into a new concept, complex type. Complex type. The complex data type is an immutable type that holds a pair of floats, one representing the real part and the other representing the imaginary part of complex number. Complex numbers are written with the real and imaginary part joined by a plus or minus sign, and with the imaginary part followed by a G. Okay, let's see an example for it. Okay, I am going to assign I'm going to create a variable name as z equal to 5 plus 4j. Here, here 5 is a real number and 4j is an imaginary number. Okay, so uh, let's call the real number. Okay, so print. Here I have a function called z.real. Okay, then print it. You will get 5. 5 is the real number. Okay, like do with imaginary number. Print z dot image and print it. You will get imaginary number. Okay, let's get the z variable data type. So print inside the parenthesis type and create another parenthesis. Inside the type of parenthesis, variable name. Put variable name, then run. You will get class complex, which is uh, the z variable containing complex data type. Boolean type. It represents true or false. It's basically used in relational or conditional operators. For example, let's say, is you studying? I am asking with me, is you studying? Is you studying? Equal to yes, I'm studying. So I'm going to try type true. And remember it, while putting true or false, the first letter must be caps. Okay. Then print the variable name is you studying like this, and you will get true, false. For example, in a here I am here put false, and let's go to true. Then print. You will get true. Let's check the data type of is you studying variable type, then open and close the parenthesis and print. You will get class bool, which is the variable is you studying holds boolean value. Okay, let's move to string variables. String data types. A string data type represents sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. The character may be alphabets, digits, or special character, including space. In Python, string values are enclosed in double, single, or double quotes. For example, let's say name, name equal to suf in single quotes, suf suf, and create another variable name n as a caps and me equal to suf in double quotes. Okay, suf. Let's print the both. Print name as small, name print name in caps nm. Okay, let's print. You will get both sub sub. Okay, okay. Let's type the both of data type. Type gets the data type. Type type and open and close the parenthesis, and you will get string data type. Okay, class string, which is string in a short form str. Okay, let's move to list data type. List type. What is list type? List is a sequence data type. List is a sequence of elements separated by commas, and the elements are enclosed in square brackets. The value can be any type. The values are called elements or items. For example, let's create a list. Name as s equal to create a square brackets. Okay, inside it let's create any data type. 123 is the in data type. Let's string name and floating data type, say 1.23, then true, which is boolean data type, and let's print it. Print yes, and you will get everything. 123 name, 1.2 true. Why we use the list data type? You can see in the last in this section, you can see I'm creating one variable and giving one value. Here I'm given a one variable and assigned four values in one variable. This is the advantage of using list. Okay, let's check the data type of s variable type. Open and close the parenthesis, then print. You will get class list, which is s the variable name holds list data type. Okay, let's move to tuple. A tuple is another sequence data type. Similar to list, a tuple consists of a sequence of elements separated by commas, and items are enclosed in parentheses. Okay, same as it is the list, but instead of using square brackets, here we have to use parentheses. For example, let's say t equal to, open and close the parenthesis, and inside it let's give a values like 123, again once again name and false. Okay, let's print it. Print the t variable. Okay, and you will get same as it is, but look out the difference. Wait, I have to remove the type and remove the parenthesis to get the difference. Now you will see the difference is the above. This one contains square brackets, okay, and this one contains the parenthesis. So if I say the type of s variable, and you will get the list data type, and for the t you will get tuple. Okay, here you see class list and class tuple. Okay, let's see the difference between list and tuples. List are enclosed in square brackets. Yeah, we know that its elements and size can be changed. Okay, you can change it by giving pop, append, or remove, like this. And in tuples are enclosed in parentheses. Yeah, we know open and close the parentheses have to use, and the tuple cannot be changed. Okay, remember it. Okay guys, let's move to sets data type. Set is an unordered collections of elements separated by commas, and items are enclosed in curly brackets. Sets is similar to list except that it cannot have duplicates entities. Every element is unique. Once it was created, it cannot change. For example, let's uh, say set no, let's say b b equal to open a curly brackets, and I'm assigning values in reverse order. For example, let's say 5 4 3 3 1, I mean 1 1 2. Okay, let's print it. You will see print it. You will see a magic b. Print the magic b and run it. You can see here I put 5 4 3 1 2, but I got 1 2 3 4 5, which is it's corrected the order. It's corrects the order. And for example, let's say c equal to, let's say c equal to 5 comma 4. No, don't leave a space, but let's keep it 3 1 and 2, and ask like this: if A equal to B, I mean B C equal to B, quotes, print true, else print false. Okay, in this case, what I am doing, I am comparing C equal to B, which is the both are same. Okay, the variables are different, but the values are same. Okay, like I'm checking if C equal to B, then print true or else false, and you will get true. Uh, this is the things you have to know. Okay, let's move to none type, none data type. None is a special data type with a single values. Basically, the none data type means non-existence, not known or empty. It is used in signify the absence of values. In a situation, none supports no special operations, and it is neither false or not zero. For example, let's say it is useless, but say let's create it n equal to none, like this, and print it n, and you will get none. Okay, let's check the type of n, print it, and you will get class none type, which is the n variable holds none data type. Hope you understand well. Thank you. Subscribe it. Don't forget to hit the like buttons and share with your friends. Thank you.